Welcome to this walk around video on this lovely 2018 Range Rover Sport Autobiography. Now this car does have quite a lot of additional specification. It's finished in the Santorini Black. You do get all the black exterior accents. One of the big options on this, you do have the pixel LED headlights. And you might have noticed the front camera on there, it does have the 360-degree surround camera system. Moving down the side, you do get the 21-inch 9-spoke alloys with your contrasting red brake calipers. Front and rear privacy glass, just giving it that stealth look. Moving around to the rear. Does also come with the electrically deployable tow bar, which is part of the towing pack. Moving into the rear, as this is the Autobiography, you do get the Meridian 825 watt surround sound. You've got the lovely ebony suede cloth headlining and that lovely sliding panoramic sunroof. It does come with the full ebony perforated leather interior and the 4-zone climate control with your heated rear seats. Moving on into the front, you do get the grand black veneer throughout the car. You do get the winged headrests. These are 22-way heated and cooled front seats, but they do also come with a massage function. As this is the Autobiography, you do have a heated steering wheel and the adaptive cruise control. Another feature is the head-up display, which is an option on this car. You do have the interactive driver's display here as well. It's covered just under 97,000 miles, but in all honesty you wouldn't be able to tell. It does of course have your satellite navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ambient lighting, etc. And it does have your surround view cameras as well, with your park assist. And as you can see with the seats, it does come with that massage function. So there it is. It does obviously come with a few other little features like your keyless entry, etc., which you'll get as standard on this car. But if you've got any more questions on this car, please do contact us on 01423 33 1133. Thank you.